Ever hear strange gurgling sounds when you flush your toilet or drain your sink? That could mean your plumbing vent is blocked. Here's why it matters. Plumbing vents release air and allow water to flow smoothly through your pipes. When they're blocked, air can't escape, causing slow drainage, odd sounds, and even sewer smells. The good news, most vent issues can be fixed by clearing debris from the vent pipe on your roof or scheduling a professional inspection. If your plumbing is acting up, give us a call today. We'll help you get things flowing smoothly.